Hello, Jasmine. This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So we spoke a little bit earlier today, so let me show you what we found. So Towers Remodeling Inc. I don't even know what an SEO is. Is that maybe the area? Oh well, it doesn't work when I click on that. Projects about us, contact gallery. Very nice picture over here, by the way. Good logo. You should probably kind of put that up here. But you have your Instagram, which is good. You have your Facebook, which looks like okay, good, it's working. And then you have your phone number. You might want to have it labeled clearly up top over here so people can see it's you. Who you are, that's good. Our essence is a different kind of wording, which is good. Relevant projects, and it says living room and bathroom, and that's it. So not a lot going on. Oh, you're in Fort Lauderdale. So I'll address that in a moment because I have you as in Miami, but that's okay. So as we scroll through, there's no real content over here. You talk briefly about who you are and then the work you do, but that's it. And that's not good enough when people are searching. They really want to see a lot more going on because, well, even if we have people that we didn't even care about what they're looking for, Google has to find you. And if Google sees empty websites with just pictures and no words, then it's going to be difficult for them to do much with it. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm looking at the back end of your business or your website, and it looks like it's just gone down since it's open. But I mean, it's steady, but that means nothing's happening with it. You've been in the same position for a while now. That ranked right over there, by the way. The 200 million should be over here. But that just, you want to get closer to one. Anyway, a UR rating is how strong the website is, no data for that. DR rating is how much Google trusts you, no data for that as well. The way they get that data is through backlinks, who you're connected with. So a backlink is where you have your website link somewhere else where somebody can click on it. Referring domain is when it returns to you. Now, not all backlinks are equal. Some are like spammier than others. Some have a lot more credibility. The ones you have are not only not enough, but they're just not going to do much for you either. And yes, there is a semblance of you need more than four or five, but you might not need 1,000, but you just need the ones that work for you. But let me get to what a keyword is. So I put in bathroom remodel Miami, Florida. I'm gonna switch that up and put bathroom remodel Fort Lauderdale, and let's see what pops up. So I'm using this kind of keyword for two reasons. One is I have a location, right? The more specific I get about where I'm searching and what I'm searching for, the better my search results are for. Now, I want the people who are searching for those specific stuff coming to my website. So I want to rank for those keywords. So, and the bathroom remodel is a very specific thing. I am looking for a bathroom remodel in Fort Lauderdale. So as I scroll through, this is a GMB. Now I did look you up. I could not find one. So my free advice to you is definitely go to gmb.com or whatever it is. Like Google what a GMB is, create one for yourself. But then after that, oh, and the reason being is because 30 to 40% of all people will click on one of these guys. So Allied Kitchen and Bath is probably going to do the best simply because they're in first spot. And they have 172 different people going to their website. But then again, after that, you have your organic search. Anyone can rank here as long as you have a website. Yelp is number one. Home Advisor 2. Bathrooms Plus Inc. is number 1. Now, the reason I'm not going to click on them is because this is a back page. And I know it's a back page because it's bathroomsplusinc.com, Fort Lauderdale. So they're not even local to Fort Lauderdale. Phoenix Remodeling isn't either. Allied Kitchen and Bath is. So these are going to be your local competitors for Fort Lauderdale. So alliedkitchenandbath.com. Sorry, I have to prep just a little bit, so I'm going to go over here and put them in as well, because now I have to switch up where I am showing you the data from. But let's take a look. They have the About Us with a drop-down menu. They have kitchens, our process and kitchen gallery, bathrooms, same thing. Outdoors, remodeling in general, products, and then obviously reviews and contacts. So, and then they have on the side over here all the places they are located, which is what's going to help them get a better ranking. Now, the one thing they also have is their phone number here is a click to call, so that's definitely something that's very good. They might even have a showroom, and if they do, that's something even better. They have all of this stuff that they're offering people, so they can click on it, and it's a whole new page. This is accolades they're getting, reviews, and they can switch through the reviews, which is great, and I'm almost positive they can click on Google and it will take them somewhere else. That is their GMB. I don't need to be here anymore. And it's actually it's write a review, so now I can write a review. So that's very cool. So they're doing the correct stuff on that end. I'm not even going to go through the rest of it because I don't need to. I already know that they're not doing too bad here. But let me show you what the back end shows. So they are completely crushing this area. Now, can they be beaten? Of course they can. Will it take work? Yes. But they have a UR of 41, excellent number to have, DR rating of 29, so Google really does trust them. A UR is how strong the website is. You want these typically in the 30s and 40s ratio of 1 to 1, and they're doing well. Now, they have a lot of backlinks, which is pushing up more on the UR side and the DR side. The referring domains are going to help push on the trust rating side, which is, like I said, the DR. So they're doing well. And then they have almost 1,200 keywords. They could have anywhere between 1,200 and 1,300. When they pass the 1,300 mark, they'll get there. But they're bringing in 375 organic clients to their website. So let's see what that really means. What are they ranking for, and what kind of clients are they getting? So they're getting a lot of people to their actual website, Allied Kitchen and Bath. Now, no typical person will type that in, but or kosher kitchen design. That's very odd. I guess maybe in Fort Lauderdale there's a large Jewish population. They might type that in, but that's a very specific demographic. And then you have kitchen and bath near me. Okay, I don't necessarily agree. Kosher kitchen. Why are they always? Why? What is up? Interesting. I don't quite. Okay, this is what I like. Coral bathroom remodel, Coral Springs. That they're getting 20 people a month are searching for that. They're getting 8 because they're in position 2. When you're in positions 1, 2, and 3, you'll get anywhere from 10 to 20%. So do they have a lot of the greatest stuff here in Fort Lauderdale? No, they do not. 287 of their traffic comes from their name, which is theoretically just repeat customers and all that stuff. Kosher design, I mean, anyone in the world can type that in, so I don't even know if you want to rank for something like that. Same thing for all the top stuff. So maybe they're not the greatest example in the world to compare to, but in your area, theoretically, they're still higher than where you're at because you won't rank for anything because you don't have the keywords. So let me show you what I would do. I would want to get content on your site that talks about what it is you're offering. And then in that content, you would want the keywords that you would want to rank for. So if you do bathroom remodel, I would follow that up with Fort Lauderdale. Or you can switch it up around, Fort Lauderdale bathroom remodel. There's so much things you can do and so many different ways that people can type something into Google that you definitely want to be able to rank for the stuff that you think people might be searching for. Now, don't think of it as a, super in depth. Think face value, because the super in depth you go, the less the common person will know about it. All right. I don't know what a I mean, I know what a socket wrench is, but many other people don't. So they're just going to write wrench. So you gotta rank for the broader sometimes before you can rank for the more specific. So step number 1 to helping you out is you got to get content on your website. The second thing would be is you definitely need those keywords in there. And then finally, you need good referring domains and backlinks. Now, even though they're not ranking really high for a lot of the great stuff, you would still want to use, them, copy what they got, and then, use it for yourself. But then on top of that, add another 50 to 100 backlinks that are relevant and good so that you can start out ranking the competition. Imagine if you can bring in 100 solid people a month to your website that, are looking for those very specific kind of keywords. What would that do for you? Anyway, you have a good one. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, you have a good day. Bye.